Well, good morning, periods 1 and 3. Good afternoon, periods 6 and 7. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you had a great Halloween, and I hope you're ready to go for a new week here at Durango High School history class. First and foremost, again, big shout out to the class captains. Thank you for doing what you're doing. Please make sure you've had a chance to be able to go over this warm up. If that means pausing right now, great. If that means you're going on because you've already done the warm up, that's good too. But make sure you have a chance to be able to go over this warm up and call in a couple people for each question. Okay, for today, we're going to be starting the process of putting together a website related to a revolution that's occurred throughout history. So that's going to be our goal for today. But first, I want to make sure that you're getting at least maybe 10 minutes to be able to finish up this 3-2 assignment. So we had some really creative tweets that were going on for your event, which remember was right here, one of those 4 events, and then your person that you were kind of role playing, which was right here. So we're going to go ahead and take 10 minutes to be able to post onto the Padlet, which is kind of our Twitter feed here. And then please also take some time to be able to go through and vote on maybe at least 5 or 6 people that you thought their tweet was the best as far as the most creative, the most historically accurate, and the most fitting for the role that they played. Make sure you're looking at those hashtags. Make sure you're looking at the fact that it's within 280 characters. And the top 3 vote getters from each class will be getting a little bit of leftover Halloween candy that Mr. Foster has. So that's going to be fun. Once we do that, we're going to be starting with our Revolutions group project, where you're going to be very similar to what we had done previously with the Renaissance. You're going to be getting in with your group and going through and creating a website that is related to one country's revolution that we are going to be taking a look at related to this timeline here. We've already taken a look at this, so you and your group are going to decide one country, either violent or peaceful, that it has the date there, and then you're going to be doing a little research to be able to go into that country's revolution and provide a little bit of information related to what happened related to the revolution. So we do have our 3 roles right here: historian, current events consultant, and producer. So it does have some additional roles that you did not necessarily have previously related to that Renaissance project. So make sure you're taking a look at those roles first and what each role will be doing before you commit to something. And make sure you're also, as a group, going into this graphic that looks like this right here and deciding collaboratively which country and which date of the country that you would like to do for your revolution. All right, so that's what we've got going on today. Once we do that, we will be having a little bit of time, if any time remains, to be able to at least get your website started. And remember, most of you guys will be doing a Google Sites, but some of you guys might decide to do either Prezi, Wix, or something else for your website. So good, guys. Well, thanks again to the class captains and really all of you guys. I know that no matter what kind of sub situation we have, those class captains are really going to help out with making sure that you guys can still get quite a bit of stuff done when I'm gone tomorrow through Friday. And then I'll see you guys back here on Monday. All right, guys, take care. Thank you and have a good one.